Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 40th video of Lightning Web Component series. So I was thinking that we have in the last video we have covered the client side pagination. Why don't we keep the pagination module together? Because if I talk about pagination, we have multiple functions in it, like lazy loading. You are sorting the pagination list, or you are making the changes in, or you are adding a search element, or we have done the client side or a server side. So why don't we keep this module together? So with that thought, I thought of in this week we will be bringing all the videos related to the pagination, and after that we will be going further. So happy new year once again to everyone. So let's start working on the pagination, where we will be bringing the search component as well with the pagination. Since we have already done the client side pagination, so those who haven't seen my pagination video, I will not refer the pin comment, because today we will be covering the same, but I also will be adding the same video in the pin comment so that you can refer it out. So let's start building the search component with the client side pagination. In order to start the pagination from the client side, since we are giving a call at the first time only in order to get all the records from the account, so we will not change anything in the query, but still who are referring my video for the first time, I will tell what we have done in this. We have created one class, that is account controller. In this we have added @ or enabled cacheable equal to true. Why we have used the cacheable equal to true? Because we are using a wire decorator in order to fetch the data, and once we fetch the data, we add cacheable equal to true. If you don't add cacheable equal to true, then the data will not come and you will not able to see the data. So because cacheable equal to true help us in order to make our data as stored in the cache, and you can't make any changes in the main data that you are playing around. So with that, I have taken the one static method, that is get accounts, and in which I'm returning a list in which I'm returning three fields: name, phone, industry from account, and I'm setting a limit as 50. Because if I talk about the client side pagination, we only refer in at that places where we have less records. For example, you have 1 crore records or 2 crore records. That time you can't go for it, you have to refer to the server side pagination. So once this is done, after doing this, we will be creating one component. So pagination with search. So let's name it pagination with search functionality. So functionality. Once this is prepared, first thing that we always update is we update the meta file. So make sure that you always add the is exposed equal to true. And what will be the second step? And we will be setting the targets, and targets is equal to Lightning homepage. So it is providing me the code, so I will be referring this further. So now let's move on to our HTML part. Once we reach on the HTML part, first thing that I always do, that is lightning card. Because lightning card give us the background pagination with search functionality. It has provided already, and it has provided me the functionality for that. So let's see what it has provided here. So it has provided me one lightning input exactly, where I have added the search and a search key equal to, and we have also added a value equal to search key, and on change is equal to handle search change. So let's refer it out. Once we use it, we will be coming to know what all things we will be using. So for now, just we will be copying this out, and further let's give the table. It has given me simple table, so I will not referring this table, I will be taking the data table here. So because this is very much lengthy, if I see, so what I will be doing once this is done, so what I will be doing, I will be taking lightning data table here. Because lightning data table is simple and it is not complex, since you are adding all the elements at the value. So here we will not be keeping paginated data, we will be adding visible records in the data. Key field is always ID, data is equal to visible records, column is equal to column, and height checkbox is equal to height. Once we are done with this, further what we will be doing, we will be first taking two buttons, that is previous, next. So these are the two buttons that we have already taken, in which the class we have given the SLDS align absolute center. We are using the position and we are setting the position equal to center. So you can use the absolute position whenever you like, but it is most probable you will use the relative position. So we will be using absolute now, and further once this is done, after doing this, we will be taking two buttons. One is the previous button, where we have given the on click is equal to handle previous, and we will be using the getters in order to disable previous or disable next. So once we are done with this, our HTML part is done. If I make this HTML differentiate from my last video, we have added this search button that we haven't added earlier. So we will be saving this out. So I will be telling you out what all differences we have done from the previous video that is making this video different from that video. So let's further move on to JS. So what I will be doing, I will be adding the wire decorator here. Once the wire decorator is added, we will be adding import get accounts. So get accounts is very much important because we want to get the data from the Apex side. So we will be searching that is get accounts from the Salesforce Apex. Once this is done, further we will be taking one constant here, constant columns is equal to, so let's give a tab, not this. So I will be giving tab, and why it is not referring it out. So let's name, I will be adding a bracket, my bad. So now it has provided me name, field name, phone, and type is equal to phone, and similarly it has provided me interest. So this is how we will be taking the columns, and once the column has been added, now it is the time to give the definition to all things that we need. So let's give and let's pick what all value we will be needing. Columns equal to columns is good. We are setting the columns. We have three values here. One is all records, where all records will be coming. Second is filtered records, where all the filtered records. Filter record is done once we are making a search and we are making the filtering. And third is visible records. Once this is good, then we will be keeping the page size, current page, and total pages equal to 0 initially. We don't need this out. And further, what I will be doing, @wire get accounts, I will be just defining wire data. So it has provided me data. If data, this dot all records is equal to data, this dot filtered record is equal to, we will be destructuring the data, and third we will be adding one method that is calculate pagination. And once this is done, so this is how we are getting the data. So nothing new in this. So further we will be going on to our handle search event. That is a main event here. So if you go here, so this is the handle search change method that we need here. So let's copy this method and check. Yes, the method is good. So here the event is getting passed. As soon as the event is getting passed, so we are just picking out the event.target.value that we are getting, and we are referring it to a lowercase because the search always happen in a lowercase. Let's take an example. If the person has searched for, let's take an example, if he was searching for New York, N is capital and Y is capital, and some person has not taken N capital but he has taken Y capital. So it is always the best case to change your things in the lowercase and then only referring it to search. Once we are done this, so here we are using the array method that is filter in order to filter our records that is coming out. So this dot filter records is equal to this dot all records, because we have already given all records or data in our all records where all the records are coming, either 50, 60. Let's take an example. You are searching for edge communication only. So as soon as the event is getting changed to a lowercase, on change, let's take an example. If E is added here, so as soon as E added, then the E will get searched, and this all logic will work, and this dot all record dot filter will happen. Filter method will be added, and here record is adding as a parameter, and further record dot name to lowercase includes, I'm using an include search key. If this is the case, then what we will be setting, the current page equal to 1, and if there are multiple pages, we will be again adding the calculate pagination. So once the calculate pagination is, you must be seeing that how Trishu calculate pagination is working. Since in the last video we have one method that is the main logic for the pagination. So this is how the pagination is working. And this first thing that we are calculating is the total pages. That is, in order to calculate our total pages, what we are doing, this dot filter record dot length, we are picking the filter record length. If the length is 50 or 5 or 10, divide by the page size. Simply this operation. And this dot visible update visible record is a method where all the start, end and visible records are getting calculated. So this is referring one method further again. So this is update visible records, and if I talk about update visible records, constant start, this dot current page, like this we have already discussed in the last video as well. So let's take an example. If the current page is 1, so 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 into page size 5, so it will come as a 0. But if I talk about the end, so end will be start that is 0 plus page size 0 to 5 or 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. So this will work like this. And this dot visible records will be slicing the records from the first index to the last index. Either it is 0 to 5, either it is 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. This is the main thing that is happening. So everything is changed here with the filtered records instead of visible records. In the previous we are playing around with visible records. So finally we are displaying the visible records only. Now it is a time to work with the buttons. So we have two buttons as we have added here. One is the handle next and another is handle previous. So let's take an example. If I want to go on to, I am on first page, I need to go on the second page. What I need to do change? I just need to make the increment to the current page plus plus, and further I will be calling this method that is update visible record. Let's see how we are working. If current page is less than total page, let's take an example. If the person has made it second on the handle next, so he is clicking just next button. So as soon as we clicked on the next button, what all operation is happening? If the current page is less than total page, yes, the current page 2 is greater than 50 or 5, yes. So what we will be doing, we will be setting the current page equal to 2, and once the current page is set to 2 minus 1, that is 1, so 1 into 5, so 5 will be my first page and end page will be 10. So 5 to 10 records will get visible to the visible records only. So this is how. And similarly, in the handle previous, we are just comparing if greater than 1, then only this will update this. Also, you remember I have talked about two buttons. One is disable previous, one is disable next. So we will be disabling that buttons when we reach on the first or a last page. If we are reaching on the first page, so what I will be returning, if return this dot current page equal to 1. So this will return the disable for true, and similarly disable next if current page is equal to total pages. So this complete our logic. So now let's deploy our component and see how this component is actually working. Okay. Since our component has been successfully deployed, so it is a time to test our Lightning Web component, how it is working. Is our search working properly, or are we facing any issues? So what we will be doing, we will be just selecting edit page here. So if I go here, if I click edit page here, so you will be seeing the edit page here where you will be seeing the component that we have built here. So don't you think that these should be fast enough and so that it get open, because I'm using a 3G and I'm using 1000 Mbps and still Salesforce is working slowly. So please share the comments and your thoughts why this is slow, so much slow. So let's drag and drop over this component here. So once this component has been drag and drop, so now you are seeing the pagination is working properly and the previous pattern has been disabled. So first we will be checking the pagination, how the pagination is working, because first thing should work first and then second thing we will be testing for the search. So you are seeing here we have 3 pages and I think we have 13 records. So it is working properly. So if I search for Dixon, so let's search for Dixon. So you are seeing as soon as I added D, it has given me all the record Dixon. And similarly, if I am searching for edge communication, previous button and next button is getting disabled. Since we have 13 records, that is the reason why all the records are not coming. You must be thinking, Trishu, you are giving the searching for first page. So let's search for 103. 103, so it is on the third page and we are getting the result from the third page. Or let's search this full name, that is Express Logistic. So let's search, let's go on to first page and let's see Express Logistics. So it is giving me this. So this is how our search is so much simple, and we are working with this. So someone has told me that Trishul, LWC is very much difficult. If you know JavaScript, then there is no challenge in learning the LWC. So this is my thought. If you want to refer my JavaScript series, please learn the JavaScript series. I will be adding the link of my playlist in the comment, and further you can start working with it, because you are using filter, you are using slice, which we haven't already discussed here. So here you are seeing that we are using the seal method, and further here we haven't talked about slice. So what is the difference between splice and slice? So these are the some methods that we always use. Slice is just like a substring. We only need an array from first index to fifth index only. So this is how the slice method is working. So make sure that please refer my JavaScript video, and please, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such content. So I'm trying that I will be covering this LWC series in the first quarter, and we are hoping to cover 150 plus videos for the Lightning Web Component, in which we will be covering each and every aspect of the Lightning Web Component, either on the integration side or on the many things. Because I got some comments that Trishu, why don't you pick the integration series? So I'm planning to pick that, but let's first cover the basics, and then we will be jumping onto the integration part as well. So hope you like my content. Have a nice day.